Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and I've been very fortunate to have been able to make my living as an actor and a commercial model for over 30 years now. I've booked more than 1,200 jobs so far. Maybe you saw my recurring role as Michael on House of Cards. I worked on Mr. Robot, Gotham, Halt and Catch Fire, Rectify. I've done feature films, independent films, student films, training films. I've done TV commercials, radio spots, narrations, commercial modeling work, and I am really excited about coming to Columbus, Ohio on April the 13th, where I'll be teaching you the strategies that I use on a daily basis on how to get work. And as a special guest and a special bonus, you're going to get a chance to meet Ali Ferda, who runs the PCT Talent Columbus office. She's an agent you want to get to know, even if you're already represented by her. This will give you an opportunity to see her outside of the work situation. She'll get a chance to know you better. She can answer personal questions for you. But let me just tell you some of the many things that we're going to be discussing. It's going to be everything from learning your type. We're going to do an exercise where you will have a better understanding of how people view you, which will be incredibly helpful to you when you're putting together the right photos, as well as when you are submitting yourself for jobs. How to put together an effective headshot, one that grabs people's attention. Putting together strong commercial photos so you can try to get commercial modeling work. Techniques to use when you are preparing and auditioning for film and television. We are even going to shoot a couple of different auditions. I'll record it, play back, critique it. We'll have a practice go-see, the model's audition, shoot that, play back, and critique it. We're going to talk about how to market yourself. Even if you're working with an agent, you can help your agent by marketing yourself and getting work on your own, locally or in distant markets. We'll talk about the union, how to join, should you join, the benefits of joining, or maybe it's not really right for you, how to shoot auditions from home. There's so much that we're going to be going over in those 3 hours. I've got 2 separate sessions on April 13th. You can sign up for the morning session from 10 to 1 or the afternoon, the 1:30 to 4:30 session. I am only accepting a maximum of 10 people for each session. So make sure you use the link below so that you register and grab a seat. If you are wanting to come with a minor, the adult can come free. There's no additional charge. So if you are really interested in learning the best ways to break into the industry or to take your career to the next level, use the link below, sign up, and let me share with you what I do on an everyday basis of how I work. And these are things that you can put into practice as well. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at Aaron, AARON, at howtoactandmodel.com. And I'm really looking forward to meeting you and working with you on April the 13th in Columbus, Ohio. Just use the link below.